Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be playing a bit of, what's it called again? Oh no, I forgot. I think Subway Surfers. Sorry about that. Let's just get straight into this. I like the music in the background. So let's just jump over these coins. Now we're gonna fly in the air. This is such a cool game, I think. I've never been on these rooftops before. I'll just turn it down for you guys. Now let's... This is like parkour. Yeah, this is parkour when you jump trains. How can he jump so far? He's like Iron Man. No. Yeah, Hulk. Go. I don't know how he does half of this. But what would he have got told for doing? I think it's running on the train tracks. My score at 10,683. That's a good score. I want to play a game. I'm running on the train tracks. And like nobody's going to get me. Also guys, I just wanted to mention that my friend Zach is sleeping around tomorrow. He's sleeping around, so we're going to do a video, and Zach will do a video on his channel Undertale Fans 5000. So please guys, go check out him. Go leave him a like and give him a subscribe, and just go give him a look. I think you guys will like him. He's got 23 subscribers, and I've only got 2. It's so sad that I've only got 2. And then, like, your best friend has 23. I'm safe for myself. Ha! And all the money's right beside me. I feel sorry for myself. I'm doing well, I'm doing well. Yes! I'm doing so well, I think. Tap in the comments below if you guys like this Subway Surfers. If you like Subway Surfers too, it's a very fast game. It starts off slow, and then you get a little bit bored. When it goes fast, you have to do it. No! Anyway guys, that was this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And basically, yeah, peace out.